We'll have more on the election in a moment, but there is a highly anticipated development tonight with the COVID vaccine. And tonight, your kids are one step closer to getting vaccinated. The CDC advisory panel approved the Pfizer shot for kids ages 5 to 11, and the CDC director could now sign off on that at any time now. Pfizer says the shot is 91% effective in preventing symptomatic cases in kids. The doses are being pre-positioned in offices across the tri-state, and News 4's Paisy Chang explains how doctors are preparing to vaccinate your child.
The doses are being chilled, and this pediatrician's office in Plainview is ready to vaccinate 5 to 11-year-olds.
Each box has 10 bottles, and each bottle has 10 doses.
Dr. Stewart Samuel and his colleagues are waiting on CDC approval, ready to get shots in the arms of young children.
Vaccinated individuals are less likely to get the infection at all. If they do get the infection, it's a milder case.
This particular office has rented more space and hired more shot givers to anticipate the crush of patients coming in for their vaccines. The side effects, doctors say, pretty similar to what the adults have experienced.
Redness in the arm, a little bit of swelling, achiness has been reported, and interestingly, less fever in kids than in adults.
New York City is also at the ready with 231,000 doses available at city sites 24 hours after approval. In New Jersey, 203,000 doses will be available at 230 sites statewide.
As soon as he was eligible, we went right away.
Melissa Edelman remembers feeling relieved once her 14-year-old was vaccinated.
My first shot, I was just sore, and then my second shot, I was out for the count the day before my birthday, but it was worth it at the end.
We've traveled since. We just feel so much better going out and about, restaurants, events. We feel like he's protected.
But not everyone is rushing to get the first shot.
Their bodies are so tiny and they're still developing and growing, so I don't know, I just feel like it's all unknown.
Stephanie Brienza wants to wait before vaccinating her 9-year-old daughter.
The children are getting COVID, but they're not as severe, so why put them through all of this?
Not an uncommon sentiment, but Dr. Samuel says that isn't always the case.
However, there are children who become very, very ill and can die from COVID. So we would certainly like to prevent that.
In Plainview, Paisy Chang, News 4, New York.